Bonjour! Hello everyone, I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with the fifth video of the first series of Basic French. So, in the Compter en Français series, which means counting in French, today in this video we are going to start with the number 41 and end it till the number 50. So let's get going. Here we have the first number of a video, that is 41, which is 41. 41. Do remember that I will be pronouncing the French pronunciations 2 times so that it would be much more clear for you. The next number we have is 42, which is 42. 42. Now comes 43, which is 43. 43. And here we have 44, which is called as 44. 44. And here we have 45, which is pronounced as 45. 45. Now comes 46, which is called as 46. 46. And here we have 47, which is called as 47. 47. Then comes 48, which is pronounced as 48. 48. And now comes 49, which is called as 49. 49. And here we have 50, which is the last number of this video, and it in French is called as 50. 50. So let us do a recap of what all we have learned. Here we have 41, which is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Now comes 46, which is 46, 47, 48, 49, and now comes 50. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And with that, we'll cover from the number 51 to the number 60 in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.